So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can disable Connect Dapps automatically in Trust Wallet. So guys, if you don't know how to do that and you're new to the app, then this video is for you. All you need to do is look up at the left top corner button with the gear icon and tap there. And once you're here, just go ahead and tap on the option preferences right here, which is right above security. So just go ahead and tap there. Now you'll find even more options like currency, app language, DA app, browser, and note settings. So our answer is right here in the Dapp browser. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you'll see the option of Connect Dapp automatically. So as you can see, I have enabled it. So to disable it, I would just need to click on the screen button, and there you go. I have successfully disabled the Connect Dapp automatically option in Trust Wallet. So guys, that's how you disable Connect Dapp in Trust Wallet. Hope this video is helpful for you.
If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.